I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and today I am unboxing the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. And this is very cool. It's a little mini appliance you can use to cook 6 eggs any way you want on your countertop. So let's go ahead and open this up. I think Dash is a pretty cool company supplying these kind of like little micro appliances. So we've got this cool, very vibrant packaging on here telling us we made a great choice by buying this. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so in here we've got our instruction manual and some recipes, which is awesome. So lots of different stuff that we can make with this. There's an omelet bowl, there's other kinds of attachments here. Then we've got our basic cooking instructions on here, so we can dive right in. I love that it's very graphical, looks great. Looks like some other kind of little insert. Here's the actual cooker though. I'm gonna pull it out, take the plastic off. And here it is. We've got the interior of the cooker, plugs into the wall. We've got our little heating plate here. It looks like a metal heating plate. Got the plastic insert. It's going to hold our eggs, and then a variety of these different accessories and things on here. Interestingly, it's very small, so I think you're going to make 6 eggs. You can make a tiny omelet, like for one person. It's kind of neat. It's like a micro appliance that you can easily kind of tuck away in your kitchen when you're not using it, is my impression. We've got the top on here, so this would go over top of that. And there we go, very basic. I like that it comes with all of these different items that you would need to pour in the right amount of water. Apparently you have to pierce the eggs before you cook them. It's got the omelet pan, the other kinds of pans and stuff going on in here. So very excited to use this little Dash Rapid Egg Cooker.